how to recover hacked Facebook account if they change email and password. So if you want to recover your hacked Facebook account after they change your email and password, this video is for you. First of all, now go ahead and open up your browser. After you open your browser, go ahead and tap on the search button. So tap on the search like this now. From the search now, tap on this m.facebook. m.facebook, here is I can see now m.facebook.com/hacked. m.facebook.com/hacked. So I'll give you the link in the comment section. After you open this now, tap on this my account is compromised, this one. So from this option, go and type in your mobile number or the email address that they changed. So I will use mobile number, use the mobile number. So after you type in the mobile number, tap on continue button. So from this option now, go ahead and choose this one. As you can see now, it says choose your account. Remember, hackers sometimes change names and profile pictures. Just choose one of this account. I will use this one. After you choose this one, tap on this recover button. So from this recover section, as you can see now here, it says try another device to continue. This must be a device that you have used to log into this account before. So before you recover your account, you cannot use a new device to recover your hacked Facebook account. You must use the device that you used to log into your Facebook account before. So because I'm using new device, that's why it just give me this option. So go ahead and use a laptop that you log into your Facebook account or your mobile phone that you log into your Facebook account. If you can't find the device, just tap on this can't start another device option. From this option now, Facebook will give you possible method to recover your Facebook account. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.